question is it true that I'm not entitled to workers' compensation since my leg was re-broken and it did not happen at work? Person indicates the first time their leg broke, it broke while at work. It was a compensable injury. It was an injury that was accepted as compensable by the workers' compensation carrier, and thereafter they received treatment, and apparently they were released. Following the release from treatment, their leg re-broke. They have not been back to work since then. They have received workers' compensation benefits. They've been told by the insurance adjuster that this newest break, the necessary treatment for that break, is not covered by workers' compensation. Well, it's difficult for me to say yes or no as to whether or not it's related. There's a number of things that we need to know before we're able to say yes, you have a case, or no, you do not have a case. So what should you do? Well, first thing you need to do is probably get together with an attorney that understands Iowa workers' compensation, because without them you won't be able to persuade the insurance company of the compensability of your claim. In other words, to persuade an insurance adjuster of the merits of your claim, you are going to need legal counsel. Why do I say that? Well, the reason why I say it is because of this. What were you doing at the time the second fracture occurred? What kind of stress were you putting on the injury site itself? Did the leg re-break in the exact same place as where it had previously broken? Or if not in the same place, was the previous break of the kind that it would put additional stress on other areas of the bone? And then, is there anything unusual about how it was injured? Next thing I'd have to ask is, have you been back to work since the re-break, and did it occur as a result of the stress being placed on the bone from the work that you do? Next thing I'd like to know is your age, and are there any pre-existing conditions, things like a bone density problem, that existed at the time of the injury, the original injury, and if so, is there anything that the doctors would consider to make this causally related to the original break? Last, we need a written doctor's opinion. In workers' compensation, all benefits are paid as a result of a doctor's opinion. You have no opinion, you have no gas in the tank. No gas in the tank, the benefit engine won't start up. Well, that's it for today.